3, 2, 1.
What wears a watch on its sleeve? The answer is C, coat. What actor plays the character of Jeff Spicoli in the movie Fast Times at Ridgemont High? The answer is A, Sean Penn. What is it called when a photograph is excessively bright due to too much light? The answer is B, overexposed. In what year did Jason Aldean release his first album, Jason Aldean? The answer is B, 2005. What kind of reproduction is vegetative reproduction? The answer is A, asexual. How does Tom Thumb die according to the popular traditional tale from English folklore? The answer is B, he is bitten by a spider. What are the first names of the comedy team of Rowan and Martin? The answer is D, Dick and Dan. While on a movie set, a stuntman jumps off the roof of a building as he falls toward an airbag. What is increasing?
The answer is C, kinetic energy.
Who wrote the book Tao Te Ching? The answer is D, Lao Tzu. What song did Nina have a hit with in 1984? The answer is B, 99 Luft Balloons. Moroni is the capital city of which country? The answer is A, Comoros. In what book of the New Testament was John the Baptist beheaded? The answer is C, Matthew. Which vegetable did President George Bush Sr. declare publicly that he did not like? The answer is C, broccoli. What is the main material used in Frank Lloyd Wright's Fallingwater House? The answer is B, wood. If the Earth revolved around another planet instead of a star, what might it lack? The answer is D, seasons. Which of these allows humans to walk around? The answer is B, glucose. Which tool has a blade that can be adjusted to cut metal, wood, or other materials? The answer is B, axe. In which work does Huckleberry Finn travel down the Mississippi River with a runaway slave named Jim? The answer is C, Huckleberry Finn. What is the term for a female cat who has given birth or is about to give birth to her kittens? The answer is A, a queen. Ice caps are found only in Greenland and which other place? The answer is B, Antarctica. Which of these cocktails includes the following ingredients: champagne, cognac, raspberry liqueur, lemon juice, and fresh raspberries? The answer is D, Rose of the Ritz. The electrons in a water molecule are more concentrated around the more highly charged oxygen nucleus than around this. The answer is A, hydrogen nuclei. All chemical changes involve a transfer of what? The answer is D, energy. What is the world's largest living organism?
The answer is A, blue whale.
Which game introduced the golden eye gun in the gaming world? The answer is C, GoldenEye 007. The subject that studies the solution of a system of linear inequalities is called linear programming. Which of these men was most instrumental in its development? The answer is B, George B. Dancy. Which mathematical operation results in the largest product of the multiplicand for each pair of numbers in the set 1, minus 1, 2, minus 2? The answer is D, division. I can cure the sick, but I won't taste good on a sandwich. What am I? The answer is C, syringe. What is the word for a group of ravens? The answer is B, an unkindness. Copenhagen is the capital city of which country? The answer is C, Denmark. Though I'm small, I help giants build empires. What am I? The answer is D, computer. When compared to current average conditions, which term would best describe conditions in Earth's lower atmosphere if greenhouse gases were absent? The answer is B, cooler. What animal is known as the king of beasts? The answer is A, lion. Which of the following statements best describes one way that the moon is different from Earth? The answer is C, the moon has almost no atmosphere. In which sport can we score a touchdown? The answer is C, American football. What is the length of the 2007 movie Ghost Rider? The answer is A, 114 minutes. What German composer, who was attracted to the ideals of the Enlightenment, refused to bathe? The answer is D, Ludwig van Beethoven. After fields of crops are harvested, parts of the plants remain on the ground. For many years, farmers have mixed these plant remains into the soil, which most likely results from this practice. The answer is C, the organic matter in the soil increases. When sugar is added to water, it blends in such as in which drink? The answer is B. Lemonade. An earthworm was placed on top of a thick layer of moist topsoil in a pan. The pan was placed in a room with the lights on. How did the earthworm most likely respond to these conditions? The answer is A. By burrowing under the soil. Which country administers South Georgia, a last stop before Antarctica? The answer is B. The UK. What does a clothespin attach to clothes during washing? The answer is B. Line. Eating leafy vegetables is important for human health. This is because leafy vegetables are a good source of which of the following? The answer is C. Minerals. Which hurricane is known as the deadliest in the Atlantic?
The answer is B. Hurricane Sandy.
I am a 7-letter word. The first 5 letters spell live, and the last 3 letters pick something up. What am I? The answer is C. Grave. I weave dreams in people's minds. Who am I? The answer is A. Morpheus. The axis of Earth is tilted at an angle of 23.5 degrees from the vertical position. Which of the following is the main result of this tilt? The answer is D. Change of seasons. Which form of matter assumes the shape of its container? The answer is B. Gas. In what year did the Popeye the Sailor cartoon debut? The answer is D. 1933. Which U.S. state is part of New England?